Take command of the road in the 2012 Subaru Impreza. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Subaru prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.